Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Today I am making old-fashioned brown bread. This is something that Grandma used to eat when she was growing up in the 1950s, but she hasn't had it in a very long time. She and her mother used to eat it with cream cheese on top. We've never made it ourselves, so I am going to try this recipe that I found and see if it is similar to the bread that she remembers eating. In a large bowl, we're going to beat 3 tablespoons of softened butter and 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. It takes a little time to do this process, to mix the sugar and the butter. So now we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of molasses. Blend this in. And now we're going to add the 2 cups of buttermilk. Mix all this up together. It's all blended in. And now we're going to set this bowl aside. We get our medium-sized bowl. And we're going to stir together 2 cups of whole wheat flour. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Half a cup of wheat germ. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now I'm going to mix all this together. And now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of raisins. Fold it in. That does the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients to our liquid ingredients and stir until well combined. We'll put a little bit at a time.
I want dark brown bread. Did you hear what I said? I said dark brown bread. I want dark brown bread. Did you hear what I said? I said dark brown bread.
We're all blended in. I have a 9x5 loaf pan here that I've floured and greased for our bread mixture to go into. And we spread it out in the pan so it's level, or almost level. Give it a few taps on the sides so it shakes down. That looks nice. Now we have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to be baking this bread for 1 hour and 20 minutes, or until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. We just took it out of the oven. It took 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now we have to wait 30 minutes to take it out of the loaf pan. How does it taste, Grandma?
I'll let you know in a minute, Pa. It looks good. This looks so good. Can't wait to try it. And I have my cream cheese here. Gonna spread it with some cream cheese. Give it a try. This is so delicious with the cream cheese.
So how does it compare to what you remember when you had it the last time?
It tastes very similar, but not exactly the same. but it is so good. I think I like this. Definitely you'll have to make it again for me.
It looks delicious. Smells delicious.
It's nice and moist and has a really nice flavor. And the raisins are so good in this. You taste the raisins also. The texture's nice. I really like this.
Glad you like it.
I sure do. Love you, Pa. Thank you.